Welcome to the great outdoors, where freedom, adventure, and the tranquility of nature meet the iconic Airstream lifestyle. Today we're diving into the world of Airstream Boondocking, the art of camping off-grid in some of the most beautiful places on Earth. I'm Joe Welches, your guide on this journey to unlocking the secrets of successful boondocking. Whether you're a seasoned Airstreamer or dreaming of your first adventure, this guide is for you. Boondocking, or dry camping, offers unparalleled sense of freedom. No hookups, no reservations, just you and the open road. Let's get started on how to make the most of your Airstream boondocking experience. Number 1, the allure of boondocking. Imagine waking up to panoramic views where the first thing you hear is the peaceful sound of nature. Boondocking is not just camping, it's an adventure that brings you closer to the untouched beauty of the world. The solitude, the scenery, and the simplicity of living off-grid reminds us of what's truly important. But it's not just about the views. Boondocking with your Airstream allows you to escape crowded campgrounds, offering a more intimate connection with nature, and it's about finding those hidden gems accessible only to those who dare venture off that beaten path. Our second tip is going to be planning your boondocking adventure. Successful boondocking starts with the planning. So let's dive deeper into planning your boondocking adventure. Whether you're a first-time RVer or a seasoned pro, the key to a memorable experience lies within that proper preparation. Here's what you need to know. First is understanding the different types of camping sites. To start, you have national parks. While breathtaking, they often require reservations ahead of time and may not actually allow for boondocking. Research each park's regulations regarding off-grid camping ahead of time. And then also we have national forests and BLM lands. Ideal for boondocking, offering vast expanses where dispersed camping is allowed. And these areas provide the solitude and the connection with nature that define the boondocking experience. Remember, while freedom is more significant, so is the responsibility to adhere to the leave no trace principle. And last, we have state parks. Some offer boondocking spots, but policies vary widely. Check in advance online for any need-to-know restrictions and also availability. Next, let's talk essentials. When it comes to boondocking, it comes down to 3 very basic things: water, power, and connectivity. Mastering the essentials of water, power, and connectivity is paramount. So let's dive a little deeper. Water conservation in boondocking extends beyond just taking shorter showers and using things like biodegradable soap. It involves innovative methods like using a spray bottle for dishwashing and cleaning, significantly cutting down on your water usage. Repurposing gray water for non-potable tasks like flushing toilets or washing a vehicle is not only practical, but also eco-friendly, provided environmentally safe products are being used. Furthermore, closely monitoring water consumption is crucial. Installing a water meter can offer real-time insights into your usage, enabling timely adjustments to prevent shortage on water. This meticulous management of water resources is vital because your ability to sustain off-grid living is directly tied to the availability of water. You can only last out there as long as you have water, so making every conservation effort is essential for extending your boondocking adventure. I'd recommend checking that water level as often as possible and trying to consume less and less with each use. Effective power management in boondocking hinges on a balanced solar setup, integrating both fixed panels and portable panels possibly to optimize sunlight capture. Also, transitioning to lithium batteries will enhance your storage capacity and the longevity, crucial for maintaining the energy collected by that solar array. Energy conservation is also further achieved through things like LED lighting, energy-efficient appliances, and a judicious use of power-intensive devices, alongside mindful inverter use to convert DC to AC power, as well as possibly portable generators to charge up that DC power through the converter. Also, inverters themselves consume a lot of power. This streamlined approach ensures a more sustainable off-grid living experience, allowing you to enjoy boondocking adventures without compromising on your power needs. Lastly, maintaining connectivity in the wild is essential for a seamless boondocking experience. A quality cell signal booster is key for amplifying weak signals, ensuring that you're never completely off-grid, whether for emergencies or for remote work. For longer stays, a dedicated RV Wi-Fi system enhances connectivity, complementing your cellular data for more reliable internet access. Additionally, carrying SIM cards from multiple providers mitigates the risk of spotty coverage, ensuring more consistent connection across various remote locations. This integrated approach to connectivity alongside prudent water use and solar power management allows for a more immersive nature experience without foregoing on any modern conveniences. Let's move on to the topic of safety, security, and etiquette. In the spirit of boondocking with your Airstream, safety and respect for nature go hand in hand, transforming good trips into great ones. So let's chat about keeping cozy and secure in the wild, shall we? Wildlife is wonderful to watch, but it's best from a distance. So secure your snacks to avoid unexpected furry guests and light up your camp with motion sensor gadgets to keep the boogeyman at bay. And hey, don't forget about personal safety. A first aid kit is your best camping buddy, and knowing the quickest way to dial for emergency services can make all the difference in the world. Now on to playing nice with Mother Nature and our fellow outdoor enthusiasts. Embracing the leave no trace principle isn't just good manners, it's our duty to the beautiful landscapes that we get to call home during our adventures. Think of it as tidying up after visiting a good friend's house, but this friend just happens to be the great outdoors. Keep the noise down, give your camping neighbors space, and remember, every piece of trash that you pack out might just save a squirrel's day. By staying mindful of our impact and sharing the wilderness with kindness, we ensure that the freedom of boondocking remains a joy for everyone. So let's gear up, tread lightly, and create memories that are as respectful as they are unforgettable. As we draw this guide to a close, remember that boondocking in your Airstream is more than just an adventure. It's a gateway to an incredible community. Dive into forums, light up social media, and join Airstream gatherings to swap tales and tips with fellow enthusiasts. It's all about sharing the journey, learning from one another, and strengthening our bond with the great outdoors. The Airstream community is vast, vibrant, and always welcoming with new stories and open arms. So what's the takeaway? Boondocking offers an unmatched sense of freedom, a deep connection with nature, and the joy of discovering the unknown, all from the comfort of your Airstream. So we encourage you to embark on your boondocking adventure to explore the uncharted with curiosity and with respect. And that just about wraps it up. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more RV tips and tricks, and share your own experience in the comments below. Safe travels, and we'll see you all on the road and in the next video.